Hello and welcome back to Quick Tips. Today we're going to talk a little bit about AI here in InDesign, specifically Generative Expand. This has been one of my favorite new tools lately, and it's incredibly easy to use. So here we have a cover image, and we can see that my photo isn't quite large enough to fit into the space. Before, I would have to go into Photoshop and edit this and modify the background to fit here, or I would have to come up with a graphic to cover this error. Instead, I can simply click on my image. I get this option right here for Generative Expand. I'm going to select that. I'm going to leave my prompt blank and select Generate. The prompt will process, and after it processes, I can choose from 3 variations right here in this panel. I like this one, so I'm going to click off, and now we can see we have a great area if we needed to add text to the cover of this document. Let's take a look at one more example. Here you can see that I've created a box for my layout, but the image in the box doesn't quite fit. Once again, I'll select Generative Expand, leave it blank, choose Generate, wait for it to process, and now we can see that it has added a background. I can still manipulate this image by double-click on it. I can still scale it and move it. Well, that's it for this week. Hope to see you again next week for another quick tip.